the rain. We've really seen a drop in that.
Yeah.
I know it's still technically rainy season, but we've had a lot of dry air out there.
We have, and not a lot of rain. On top of that, some light wind, all those things put together are just a recipe for that high fire danger. So I know it's been feeling fall-like, as tempting as it is to do some s'mores in the backyard. Just not the best conditions to be lighting any kind of fires, as they can spread really quickly with how dry the ground is. As of yesterday, for the month of October, we've only picked up 0.17 inches of rain at Tampa Airport. That is below average by over an inch. September, we only picked up 0.7 inches of rain. That was a record dry month for the city of Tampa. The only thing that saved us was our rainy August, where we picked up over 11 inches of rain. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't be surprised to see our drought conditions, be worse than what they are. Right now, we're starting to see some abnormally dry conditions, especially along the 75 corridor up the Nature Coast and for the Bay Area. Some hot spots that we've had were Polk County, Highlands County, Hardee County for some of our rain when we were getting kind of that steady stream coming off of the Atlantic coastline. So you're not in a drought right now, and really nowhere is technically in any level of drought, but we're getting close with those abnormally dry conditions. We could use some rain, and we do have at least some on the way. Not any today, not any right now. Satellite and radar nice and quiet. Temperatures super comfy out there. We're in the low to mid 60s, 65 in West Chase, 65 in Dunedin, a couple spots in the low 70s, 71 in Clearwater Beach, 72 in Safety Harbor, 61 in Plant City, 63 in Lakeland, 62 in Dade City, upper 50s along the Nature Coast. So a nice morning up there. Tons of sunshine expected today. Today, very similar to yesterday. By your lunch hour, we'll be in the low 80s. Today, we're topping out in the upper 80s to near 90, anywhere between about 85 to about 89 degrees expected for high temperatures today. That marine forecast, if you want to get out on the water, light chop on the bay, seas at about a foot. It's a really nice day to get out on the water if you're able to put that in your plans. Really no issues when it comes to our bay waters or offshore. Probably going to look like glass as the sun starts to rise and we can see the ocean on our cameras. Tomorrow, 87 degrees, a comfortable start, warm and mostly dry tomorrow as well. We'll have what we call a backdoor cold front come in. That's just going to reinforce our dry air going into the start of the weekend. You can see that number drop. This measures the moisture content in the air, but then notice that number go up. That's ahead of our cold front that's going to come through end of the weekend, start of next week. Then that'll usher in some more dry air, but most importantly, it's going to finally bring us a rain chance. Sunday, the back half of the day, scattered showers and storms will be possible. So first half of your Sunday looks fine, but as you're kind of winding down, getting ready for the work week, showers and storms will start to move in. And then that front will weaken as it moves through and continue a scattered shower and storm chance on Monday. We could pick up anywhere between about a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Much needed. We'll take anything we can get. Not a substantial rain chance for us, but better than nothing. Your 7-day forecast will show you really beautiful weather, though, into the start of this upcoming weekend. Comfy mornings, highs in the mid to upper 80s, and then we'll introduce those rain chances Sunday and Monday of next week.